All right, here we are with another problem. And here we are. I struggle with finding a swimwear that works for my long torso. This is definitely a common problem. And I actually like this. I think this is a topic that's not, emphasized within the women's fashion, because men's fashion, when it comes to like suiting or certain category of the clothes, they do have long, regular, straight, and stuff like that. We women do not have it. So there are 3 suggestions that I'm going to give you. Here is the personal stylist solution. So number 1, size up and then get it altered. That is a consideration if you are someone who is actually going to take the initiative and do the work to actually alter. So getting one size bigger and then getting it altered. The next one is going to the tall section for women. That is also an option for you to try out. And there was something else that I wrote down. The one piece is so generic. I like the 2 that I provided. Sizing up, because that's a more realistic. You are probably not going to, a one piece, you're probably talking about a one piece, but getting a size up and then getting it altered. But if they have it for tall, if they have a section for tall girls, definitely check that section out as well. All right.